Hello everyone, welcome to MS Aptiv Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to configure email address policy in Exchange 2019. For a recipient to send or receive email messages, the recipient must have an email address. Email address policies generate the primary and secondary email addresses for recipient in an Exchange organization so that they can send and receive email messages. When we install Exchange 2019, a default email address policy is created by default. The default email address policy defines email address format that consists of user alias name and forest root domain name. We want to create a new email address policy to define new email address format that consists of user's first name, user's last name, and forest root domain name. We are using the TSLab for this video purpose, and in that we have only one domain in our Active Directory forest. Now suppose if you have multiple domain in your Active Directory forest, that time first of all you need to configure accepted domain in Exchange organization. In this video, I'll not cover the steps to configure accepted domain. I'll create a separate video on how to configure accepted domain in Exchange 2019. In this demo, we will use Exchange Admin Center web interface to configure email address policy. And for that, on Exchange 2019 mailbox server, first of all, I'm going to open Internet Explorer. We need to type https://localhost/ECP to access Exchange Admin Center web interface. Click on More Information. Click on Go on to the web page. Sign in as an administrator with the password. In the Exchange Admin Center web interface, first of all, I'm going to click on Recipients, and under Mailboxes tab, we can verify that recipient's email address. In my case, let's see the email address for our user, Bharat Sharma. You can see email address is there, bharatsharma@mylab.local. Let's click on Edit icon. And let's verify user's alias name. In our case, we can verify it is Bharat Sharma, and that's the reason why Bharat Sharma's email address is listed as a bharatsharma@mylab.local. We want to create new email address policy so that user's email address will be changed to bharat.sharma@mylab.local. And for that, first of all, I'm going to click on Mailflow. Let's click on Accepted Domains. As you can see, we have only one domain listed here, and that is our forest root domain. So in case if you want to create new accepted domain, that time simply you need to click on this plus icon and create accepted domain as per your requirement. To create a new email address policy, you need to click on Mailflow, and then after you need to click on Email Address Policies tab. And as you can see, that is the default policy created and status is applied. And this email address policy also include all recipients from your Exchange organization. To create a new email address policy, we need to click on this plus sign. Let's maximize the console. And first of all, we need to specify a policy name. After specifying the policy name, we need to click on this plus icon to specify the email address format. Let's click on the plus icon. Now first of all, we need to select an accepted domain. In our case, we have only one accepted domain, and that is a forest root domain mylab.local. Now suppose if you have multiple accepted domain, that time from this drop down list, you can select the accepted domain as per your requirement. Fine. Then after, I'm going to select the second radio button, john.smith@contosa.com. as we like to have email address format with user first name last name at domain name. Then after, I'm going to click on Save button. Perfect. We have successfully defined email address format, and the format is user first name user last name at our domain name, which is mylab.local in our case. We can also configure policy priority as well. Here, policy order can be important if we have multiple email address policies. One means it will execute first as the default policy have lowest priority. let me scroll a little bit. Here we have other options as well, that we can also apply this email address policy to specific user based on the criteria like user's department, OU, state, and other custom attributes. We have seen that criteria when we have created a dynamic distribution group. Just like that, we can define the condition to apply email address policies as well. And for that, we simply need to click on add rule, and then after we need to select our condition. Fine. But I want to apply this policy to all recipients in our Exchange organization, and that's why I'm not going to define any rule. You can also click on preview recipients. The policy applies to link to see the recipients on which the policy is going to apply. Fine. These are the recipients on which this policy is going to apply. Fine. Now I'm going to click on save. A warning message will appear to us telling us that this policy isn't active yet. After clicking on OK button, we need to manually apply this policy. Okay, let's click on OK button. And perfect. As we can see, a new email address policy is created successfully with the priority 1. But under status, we can verify it is currently not applied. To apply this policy, we need to click on this link. So let's click on apply. It is also going to give us one warning message that it may take a long time. Do you still want to continue? Click on yes. Yes, we want. Perfect. The policy has been successfully applied on all recipients in our Exchange organization. Fine. Let's click on close to close this console. Now we can verify that MyLab email address policy with the priority 1 is applied. We can also confirm that default policy is still with the status applied. The reason is pretty simple one, because if your criteria which you have defined in this custom email address policy doesn't apply, in that case default policy is going to apply. But we have created our custom policy with the priority 1, and that's why this policy is not going to apply in our case. To verify this policy is applied or not, let's click on Recipients tab. And under Mailboxes, you can see these are the old email address format. The reason is pretty simple one, because this list is not updated. To update this list, I'm going to refresh it. So let's click on refresh. And then after we can verify user's email address is bharat.sharma@mylab.local. The reason is pretty simple one, because this user first name is Bharat, last name is Sharma, and that's the reason why user's email address format is now look like this. For all user, you can see for Jay Shah, Jay.Shah, Manish.Reina, so on. Let's select our user mailbox Bharat Sharma, and let's click on edit icon. And here we can verify user alias is same Bharat Sharma, but user first name is Bharat and last name is Sharma, and that's the reason why user email address is listed as bharat.sharma@mylab.local. Let's click on email address as well, and here we can see this is the user's primary email address with the bold format, bharat.sharma@mylab.local, and this is user's second address, which is the email address created using default email address policy. So in this way, we can configure email address policy in Exchange 2019 using Exchange Admin Center web interface. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.